got this indicator thing. Hold on, let me show you, see if it does it. Probably won't do it now. Indicator. Oh, so straight away, focus. Check side lamps. And if we do an indicator, check the direction of the indicators. But you can see the light flashing there on that one. Anyway, so all these came up after I disconnected the battery and put it back on. So I'm going to try this this reset sequence that I've seen. First, driver side window down. See what happens now. Hey, let's try this time. Okay. Let's try putting the side lights on auto. Let's try putting the side lights on. Yeah. Let's go back to the indicators. Right. Well, that seems to have worked now. Yeah, the only thing I did different this time was the side lights. I didn't leave them in, not the auto, but basically the side light symbol on position. I actually turned it to off. It doesn't say turn it off, but I did turn it off this time, and then this time it hasn't come back with the check side lights, and there's no issues so far. So yeah, I think that's it. It's good.